Okay, hi traders, here's a new video. First of all, the risk warning, your invested capital may be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose, and this video is not investment advice. So this video is another live trading explanation video of those trading setups which I have explained in my ebook. Get this ebook, it's for free, you'll find the link in the description. This ebook contains the most important candlestick pattern, chart pattern, binary option, turbo trading concept, market condition, trend identification, rejection, and candlestick math, and a lot of more concepts which can be used also for Forex and digital options. So get this ebook, watch the related videos at the top of every page of this ebook, and understand the concept and try to apply them in your trading. So this ebook contains really good price action stuff, and that is what I have to show you now, because you need some basic knowledge to understand those kind of trading setups. So you need first of all the candlestick math, how candlesticks are calculated. One candlestick plus another candlestick and are forming another candlestick, and that is what this meaning of this candlestick. So you have this even morning star, and this morning star is at the end a pin bar. If you remove this kind of doji, you have an engulfing candle, a bullish engulfing candle, and that looks also like a pin bar. And then I showed you in this video why some pin bars, some engulfing candles, some morning stars doesn't work out, because it's based on candlestick math. So watch this video about candlestick math and try to understand what I'm explaining there. Then watch the video about the rejection. You have to understand what a rejection is, why a rejection is working, what a rejection is telling you about the market. So, and how a trading setup is look like. Yes, you have here the trend, you have the resistance, support and resistance area, and you have a candlestick pattern. Then you add the rejection, and you have a trading setup. That is what you have to search. You have to search for a trading setup based on trend, on support and resistance, main key levels, yes, and candlestick pattern plus the last part, the rejection. So then watch this video. This is one of the most important, because this was done because somebody asked me why some support and resistance area are working and other not, and that is not based on the support and resistance area. It's mostly based on the trend of the market. If you have a healthy trend, support and resistance will work mostly. If you have a strong uptrend or strong downtrend, resistance, support and resistance will be not so effective. So, and those kind of trading setup which I'm gonna show you and I'm gonna explain in my video are based mostly on two types of trading setups: the continuation trading setups and the reversal trading setups. And the reversal trading setups, I can only say trade them on healthy market, on a healthy uptrend or healthy downtrend, yes, where you see also retracements, yes. And then continuation trading setups, you have to trade in a strong trend. Here, such as downtrend or uptrend, yes, because that are the continuation and the odds are on your favor. Then we have also here consolidation market, a consolidation area. In consolidation area, don't try to any kind of trading setups, because in such an area, market does not know where to go and how you want to go. And how do you want to know where the market will go? You cannot tell till the market will break through some kind of support and resistance area. So, okay, that was this market condition, that was important. Then here, trend identification. This video about trend identification. Watch this video to understand that market is moving in waves, that are the alignment of the EMAs, which are telling you what price is going to do. So this was wrong. So, and this was the part about trend identification. Watch these videos, that are important, that are the basics of all those things. So I had to open the door 1 minute. So, okay, I'm back, and here then what you have to watch also is the second part of the rejection, which where I explain much more how the lower time frame rejection candlesticks are based on those rejections, where you see also the four components of a good trading setup. Yes, the trend, like always, the key level, the candlestick pattern, and the rejection. And then this one of the fake breakout, which I have shown you in so many videos, how fake breakouts looks like. And then last but not least, this kind here, this kind of video where I explained the reversal and the retracement. So let me see where the higher time frame retracement is in a lower time frame reversal. Yes, you see here reversal, and in higher time frame you have a retracement. So and then we are going to talk about the trading setups, which I have explained. And here you see we have two types: the continuation trading setup, where the trend is similar to the trade, and the reversal trading setups, where the trend is opposite of the trade position. And this kind of setups you trade in a strong trend, and that one you trade in the healthy trend or healthy market. So this is what I had tried to explain you. And now I'm going to show you some trades in the live trade of those things which I have done already based on those things. So the first one will be this one. And we have done this trade already so often. Yes, I have done this already so often, and you should know this now. Yes, and I'm going to show you this now. This here, this is this. You see here, we have a red, a green, a red. We have a red, a green, and a red, and this red should close below this level here. Then we have this setup here. Yes, we have a downtrend, and the downtrend started now. Yes, you see we got here a reversal on the Bollinger Band here above. Yes, you see, and that is the initial of a downtrend now, upcoming downtrend. You see it's a tweezer's top. Yes, here you see those two wicks, and this is tweezer's top, which I have explained also in the ebook. So, and I would do now play, and you see what is happening here. I'm zooming in, and now this kind of candle is going through this level. We have another 15 seconds till the expiration time or the purchase time gets to the new candle. And you see this acts here like a support area here. This acts like a support area, but this candle is breaking through this area. Okay, I'm going to you see, this candle closed below those two candles here, yes, which are creating a resistance area now, because this is the principle of polarity. You change, first of all, this is a resistance area. This candle breaks through this resistance area. Then this candle got a rejection from this area. So this shows you this is a support area which is working. Then this area is works again as support level. Yes, the candle is going down, up. Then this candle is going to break through this level here, and then this level here, and that is showing you that this kind of support level will now act as resistance, and that's the reason why you could enter immediately without any kind of rejection into this trade. And let me see what I have done here. I got a little rejection down, yes, and then I entered into this trade. Maybe see, I entered again into this trade when I understood that this would be resistance now. Yes, it was support, it was broken to support, it was here, it was resistance here, then it got support, and then we broke through this level, and then this got resistance, and that's the reason why you see here the wick, and that is the principle. And this is the same kind of scenario which I have explained already so often, and I have shown this maybe 4 or 5 times in my trading example videos, yes, trading setups example videos, that this is one of the most common upcoming trading setups, yes, that it's all about. And I have drawn here some kind of area, yes, you see, which shows that it would be a resistance. So let me see if I can show you another one. So 1 second. So here now I'm going to show you this kind of trading setup, yes, and this looks a little bit different in this image, but it's that is what's about. So I'm going to show you, and I have to explain to you first of all some things. So this is a scenario. We have an uptrend, Yes, we have an uptrend, then there's coming a green candle, then there's coming a gravestone doji, and on this gravestone doji you can do a call. And as you see here, it doesn't look like an uptrend here because we had before a downtrend, but this is what I'm trying to show you here. Yes, this is not the trade which I want to show you. This we let run out. That was a reversal on that we let run out here, and then I'm going to show you this trade. So, okay, we got this kind of scenario here. We have here an uptrend. Yes, we have here an uptrend because we got here a reversal, and because this was a downtrend, you can expect after this kind of downtrend, after we get here with this reversal, yes, and this candle here, that we are going now in an uptrend, yes, because after such long downtrend, you can expect for at least 1 or 2 candles, maybe also 3 candles, a reversal. Yes, that is what's all about, and that is why you have to understand that this is a strong uptrend now. Yes, it's looking not similar to this because it looks like there would be some kind of uptrend before this, yes, but it could be also coming from above, and then a reversal could be also the initial of an uptrend, and that is why I'm showing you this. So, and after this, there will coming up this kind of gravestone doji. Yes, that is what I'm showing you here. And then after this, so let me see this. So after this, you can do a call. So let me see, we have this candle here. Okay, so now it's coming, and now I'm doing this call without any kind of rejection because you could enter immediately here because this is the initial of the uptrend. And as you see, I entered into a call because after such a downtrend, yes, and a reversal here on the 200 EMA, you can expect that at least for 1 or 2 candles or 3 candles, this will go up further, yes, and that will be continuing because you know the longer this trend is, there should be a corrective phase which goes against this, yes, and that is the reason why this will work out, yes, and this is the concept behind this scenario, yes, and that is why I'm showing you this, and I don't know why I'm turning here around, but that is because this is a long, strong downtrend, and this was the initial of an upcoming uptrend. Yes, that is what this about. So let me see if I can show you another one. So, and a few candles later, only 2 candles later, we have the same setup. Yes, let me see here. We have the same setup here. This was the candle you see for 2 or 3 candles. There was this retracement, yes, and then there is creating again after this one here is creating again a doji, yes, and then we get this kind of scenario. Let me see this kind of scenario again, yes, where those two wicks of this doji and this candlestick are creating a resistance area. And I'm going to show you this here. You see, this candle and this candle are creating a resistance area on this level here, and that's the reason why you can do here a put, easily a put. You can do this also, and let me see, I can show you this, and after this, I'm going to show you this again on the ebook, and you see it's going down, but you could enter immediately. I have not done it. Yes, I didn't enter into this trade because I don't know why. Maybe I was explaining something or something else, I don't know, but you could enter easily into this trade because those two wicks of this candle are creating some kind of resistance area, and that is why this would out. Okay, I entered really late, yes. If I entered earlier, it would be better. Yes, that was already a little bit risky, but nevertheless, because we are here in a downtrend, this would be no problem. It would be also good. But I would have entered immediately Now, because you have to see it was 3 months ago, now I would enter immediately on this kind of thing, because I would know that these two kinds of things are doing resistance area. So let me see if I can show you this again here. You see, we create here some kind of resistance, and then it goes down. This I have to say that this and this are one of them, and this one here are so those 8 here are one of the most happening ones, yes, and also this one are also really often happening here. This one and this one, and also this one here, yes. Those 6 too. This not so often. And the other ones are also not so often. We got always almost this one here, and this one, yes, and the other ones I didn't show you at the moment. I think this I have shown you also. So we have almost maybe covered a lot of, but they are missing still somewhere. I will try to show you them also. So I would say this was this part. If you like this video, do a like. If you didn't subscribe, subscribe. And if you have something to say, let me there a comment. I'm happy to hear from you. And so I would say, stay safe and bye-bye. Obviously, you have to practice them. Yes, watch the videos, practice them a lot on demo account first till you feel confident to them, and then you can apply them also on real account. So I would say, stay safe and bye-bye.